stop. If you're doing push-ups, there's a 90% chance you're making one of these mistakes that's killing your gains and could even hurt your shoulders. I'm about to show you the exact fixes that took my push-ups from sloppy and painful to powerful and effective. Stick around because mistake number 3 is the one almost everyone gets wrong. Look, I get it. Push-ups seem simple, right? Get down, go up and down, done. But here's the thing. Doing them wrong means you're basically wasting your time and setting yourself up for injury. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest push-up mistakes and how to fix them right now. All right, mistake number 1, and I see this everywhere. Flaring your elbows out like you're trying to fly. You know what I'm talking about. Your arms are going straight out to the sides at a 90-degree angle. This puts massive stress on your shoulder joints. Here's the fix. Keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your body. Imagine you're trying to tuck your elbows slightly toward your ribs as you go down. This protects your shoulders and actually activates your chest and triceps way better. Try it right now. Just get in position and notice the difference. Feels more stable, right? Mistake number 2, the saggy middle syndrome. Your hips are either sagging down toward the floor or your butt is sticking up in the air like a tent. Either way, you're losing all the core benefits of the push-up. The fix is simple, but it takes focus. Think of your body as one straight plank from your head to your heels. Squeeze your glutes, yes, your butt muscles, and brace your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. This keeps everything tight and aligned. Your push-up should look like a moving plank, not a wave or a mountain. Now here's mistake number 3, and this is the big one that nobody talks about. You're not going down far enough or you're going way too far. Some people barely bend their elbows while others are basically kissing the floor. Here's what you need to do. Lower yourself until your chest is about 1 to 2 inches from the ground and your elbows should reach about 90 degrees. That's your sweet spot. This gives you the full range of motion without grinding your shoulders into dust. If you can't go that low yet, no shame. Start with knee push-ups or incline push-ups with your hands on a bench. Build up to it. Mistake number 4, racing through them like you're trying to break a world record. Speed is not your friend here, my friend. When you're banging out fast, bouncy reps, you're using momentum instead of muscle. The fix, control the movement. Take 2 or 3 seconds to lower yourself down, pause for a brief moment at the bottom, then push back up with control. This time under tension is where the real magic happens. Your muscles have to work harder, which means better strength gains and better muscle growth. Quality over quantity, always. And finally, mistake number 5. Your hand placement is all wrong. I see people with their hands way too wide, way too narrow, or pointing in weird directions. Here's the proper setup. Your hand should be roughly shoulder width apart, maybe slightly wider. Your fingers should point straight ahead or very slightly outward. And here's a pro tip. Spread your fingers wide and grip the floor like you're trying to leave handprints. This creates tension through your entire arm and makes you more stable. So there you have it. 5 mistakes that are sabotaging your push-ups and exactly how to fix them. Start applying these fixes today, and I promise you'll feel the difference in your very next workout. Your shoulders will thank you, your chest will thank you, and your core will definitely thank you. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more nonsense fitness tips. Drop a comment and let me know which mistake you were making. I bet it's number 3, isn't it? Now get down and give me some perfect push-ups. I'll see you in the next one.